Hi, so I'm here at Atelier. This is my room, 2224, and what you do to get in the room is you have your wristband, which is also your key. It has a little black tag. Let me see if I can turn it around. There's a little black tag, that's your key. And what you do is you put it up to it, it'll let you in. And this room is called the Junior Suite Ocean View Room. It's beautiful. First thing when you walk in, you'll see that you have these switches right here. The one is you flip it if you want your room clean. This is for the light. And this one is your do not disturb. So instead of having a little sign that you put on the handle on the outside of the door, you use this and it will light up on the outside and they'll know that you don't wish to be disturbed. All right, next you'll see that there's a basket. When you come in, it has 2 towels. This is just for your stay here, but if you do wish to keep it, you can purchase it along with some other items that they have here. But yeah, this is convenient if you want to go to the beach and you didn't have a bag to put your items in. You can go ahead and use this nice little basket right here. And this is the little bench that you can sit on. Excuse my luggage. I'm just pretty much getting in. And then you have this little closet area. I probably should have turned my camera the other way. But you'll see you have several drawers. You have a little safe to put your personal items in. That's the first one. And the other provides you with the iron and the ironing board. You have a couple of robes as well as slippers for you to use. And that's an extra little blanket at the top for you as well. Okay. And let's get to the bathroom really quick. This is beautiful. I'm really digging this bathroom. So this door right here is actually just leading to the outside, the hall that we were just in. So this here slides, so if you wanted privacy, you can slide that. And instead of sliding the entire thing back, you can just use this door to come into the bathroom area. But you have your switches for the shower, and you have the little separate shower area right here. It has a little bench in it. And you have the one shower head, which is up against the wall. And then you also have the rain shower. Let me make sure. Yep, so you have the 2. And it comes with the little essentials that you'll need, some shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. So you'll have that if you forgot to bring your own. And then next to it, you have the little bathroom. So yeah, has a little bench in there. Well, a little table, not a bench. So if you need to sit something down, you could. And this is the door, which is also like a mirror door, so you'll see yourself if you needed a full length mirror. It has double sinks. Has a scale, but I don't know who uses a scale when they're on vacation, but hey, to each his own. Nice little tub here to soak in. And you also have a few essentials here as well. So you get your eco-friendly sunscreen, and they prefer that, especially when you're thinking about doing the cenotes and everything. They don't want you to use the regular sunscreen that you might bring from home unless it says that it's eco-friendly, so that you don't harm the environment and the fishes and stuff that's in the fishes that are in the cenote. So you have a few other things. You have some lotion, some more shampoo. This little box here has a lot of essentials that you might have forgotten. Your toothbrush, toothpaste, has a sewing kit with the thread. It also has some shaving cream in there. So yeah, if you forget anything, you're all set. They also give you a mask, and you have your antibacterial spray or gel. All right. And then you come into the bedroom area and you have your desk. And what's neat about this is right, because it's lined up with the bed, this is a king size bed. You have your outlet as well as your USB port. And this here is the switch for this lamp. And this is also duplicated on the other side as well. So the person that's sleeping on the other side, they have access to the same ports. Then on this side, you also have 3 set of lights, and they control different things. There's one that controls that over there. There's one, and I forgot. The other one is the lights up here. There, they finally cut off. I had to pick the right switch. Okay, so, and when you come in, you'll notice that you have a TV. It has a nice little greeting with your name on it. So see, it's welcoming me, and you get to pick your language. And you have the QR code so you can scan to get information. And on the desk, you also have a QR code, which will give you the menu for the in-room service. So if you wanted to order something while you're inside your room and you don't feel like going out, you can pull up that menu from your phone and you can see what's available. And this is the type of phone that they're using. So it's kind of like I guess a smartphone, really, or whatever. So you have access to dial as well as to reserve the spa, contact the operator, get your room service, and you can also change the mode of it. So, and that also tells you the suite you're in, and it welcomes you with your name as well. All right. And here is where the goodies are. So you have your Nespresso machine, and you have a little selection of coffees that you can use. I'm not a coffee drinker, so I won't be utilizing that. But you do have some goodies here. So they give you a few snacks, and it's all included. And this is just a little drawer, so there's nothing in it. But if you needed to store some stuff, you could. So you have that. And then this next one is your refrigerator, which comes fully stocked. So I have some soda, but I'm from Chicago, so I call it pop. And you have some beer up in here, some juice, and some water. So since I've just gotten here, everything's here. I haven't had time to actually indulge in anything. And then here, you have a nice little bottle of wine that you can share with someone or drink it all by yourself. To each his own. And isn't this cool? I just thought it was so cute. This is the little the iced bucket that you can use. I just think that's neat how they got it designed. And you have a little tray to set some things on. And this is your lounging area. So you have a sofa. And got a little welcome gift that they set up for me. So I haven't tasted it. I don't even know what that is, but I'm gonna try it. So we'll see. And now let's go out to the balcony. Now this is called an ocean view, but with how it's set up, this resort is set up, you're gonna get a lot of the garden view, and then you kind of have to look over. Let me just show you. You gotta look over, and then you'll see part of the ocean. So the closer you are to that ocean, then you'll have a better view of it. So it really depends on the room that you get, but it's still all beautiful. So you have a nice bit of room out here. You got 2 seats to sit in. You have your couple of plants. So yes, it's a nice space to sit out and relax. Okay. Let's go back inside because it's hot. And I got spoiled with the air conditioning, so I'm gonna go back inside. All right. Oh, actually, let me point out, these rooms right here, they actually get more of the ocean view, but that's a different area. That's the higher class rooms. So if you were to book one of those, then you would have full frontal view of the resort. You're not close to it, but you can still see it head on instead of having to kind of turn to get a better view of the ocean. All right, So that concludes the tour. I'll be posting tours of other rooms and resorts as well. So just stay tuned. All right. Bye-bye.